Okay, we're in here today finishing up putting the water heater in and doing a couple of other things like what Steve's doing over here.
Installing the water heater.
Okay, looks like an alien, doesn't it?
Yeah, it was that robot from Lost in Space.
And look at how tall it is. It's almost as tall as Steve. Oh my God. Yep. So it's about as tall as him. And what we had to do is, when you look inside here, if you remember from last week, we decided to take that little shelf out of there so we'd have room to install a skinnier water heater because these spots are so narrow. And
Still a 40-gallon. It's just taller and skinnier, so it'll fit better. And we had enough room in this space from the top because there was a linen closet, a linen cabinet up there.
yep.
Lisa's going to show you what she did in this effort. But we took out that shelf and cut out this access hole bigger so that we can more easily fit the water heater into this closet. And Lisa will now show you what she did to help on her end.
Come this way. So this is what I did. I just finished what kind of snow cone would you like? Strawberry?
A rainbow colored
A
snow
rainbow.
cone.
No. I don't like rainbows. But I utilize, and we always repurpose wood, I utilize this to make a frame. And I'm going to bring you over here so you can see in back of the drywall what I did so that I can install some drywall here to make it look flush here. And this little section here, we're not going to have a door on it. We're going to have a little medicine cabinet that's going to pop right in here and lay flush. So once this gets all dried out and I can sand it and I can paint it, the medicine cabinet will pop right in here and fit very nicely. So there's enough space between here and there when you open it up. It's not going to hit the towel rack. I didn't want to have the door opening this way because there's hinges on it and most people will end up kind of breaking it. So the door is going to open like that. And I'll show you that when that gets finished. Come over here. So we're back over here. And that's what it looks like from there. That's what it looks like from the back. So I just utilized the rest of this wood for support, made it flush so that the drywall, no one will ever notice. So we put a new subfloor down there, which we had to. Enough room for the water lines to come on up. And then as we kind of tilt this and scoop it up so it can fit in here. And that's what Steve is doing now. What did you do now?
Right now, I'm cutting this because I have to patch in these water lines, these PVC lines.
Okay.
Because, as you can see, I had to cut them down here. Originally, they came up and had 90 degrees to come over the top of the shorter water heater. So since this one is much taller, I have to splice in some lines using some couplings so that I can attach these connectors to the CPVC.
Okay.
And I have some couplings down there that help me do it.
Right. So part 2 is going to come up right now. Okay. Looks like we're connecting it up now. There's plenty of room. And this is one of the reasons why we decided to not utilize this extra little shelf here. So what are you doing, Steve?
Right now, I'm just hooking up the lines.
Are they? Should the viewer know exactly what line is for what?
Well, this is the cold water line. You see it's marked with blue plastic around the lip.
Yep.
This cold water means this the inlet valve, supply of cold water into the water heater. this one's red, and you'll actually see the word hot on this one and cold on this one. Well, this is the hot water outlet line.
So I'm gonna come over there, and the two lines that you have, how would you know which one is going to be the correct line?
Well, here I know this one was the one coming in because I remember from taking off the old one. Besides this, there's a shut-off valve on this one.
Okay. That blue thing is a shut-off valve?
Yeah, it is.
That's
Okay,
interesting.
so hang on, so that's marked red.
Yeah.
Okay, so I need to double check something.
I've never seen one like that.
Alright, let me run outside and check the incoming lines, see what's what.
Okay. That's the one Joel put together, right?
Alright, this is the inlet line,
Okay.
and this is the outlet line. So yeah, I got them backwards.
It's a good thing we checked that, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
All right.
let's go flip them around. Put a shut-off valve on the outlet. Here's the bottom of the hole. This is why I'm glad we decided to replace it.
Oh, wow. Yeah, in a matter of time,
Yeah,
that would have busted wide open.
big time.
Flooded that whole section. Now you can take your water heaters, anything that's metal, you can take your refrigerators, all your appliances to this place in, is it West Columbia or Casey?
It's in Casey.
Where you haul it the back of your truck and you go and they weigh your truck when you come in, and then they weigh it again when you come out. And they actually will pay you for that, so you can throw everything over there. Okay, so now we have to unscrew those and put them. And then once Steve does that, he'll be connecting these up so we can have power. We'll show you how we're going to do that. We'll come back to that.